Hello everyone, this is Pahitra, Assistant Professor of MCA Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I'm here to explain our topic software maintenance categories, challenges of software maintenance from Unit 4 of the subject MC 4102 Object Oriented Software Engineering. First, let us see about software maintenance. Software maintenance refers to the process of modifying and updating a software system after it has been delivered to the customer. This can include fixing of bugs, adding new features, improving the performance, or updating the software to work with new hardware or software systems. The goal of the software maintenance is to keep the software system working correctly, efficiently, and securely, and to ensure that it continues to meet the needs of the users. Software maintenance is a continuous process that occurs throughout the entire life cycle of the software system, and it is important to have a well-defined maintenance process in place, which includes the testing and validation, version control, and communication with the stakeholders. Several key aspects of software maintenance are the bug fixing, that is the process of finding and fixing the errors and problems in the software; enhancement, the process of adding new features or improving the existing features to meet the evolving needs of the customers; the performance optimization, the process of improving the speed, efficiency, and reliability of the software; porting and migration, the process of adapting the software to run on new hardware or software platforms; re-engineering, the process of improving the design and architecture of the software to make it more maintainable and scalable; documentation, the process of creating, updating, and maintaining the documentation for the software, including the user manuals, technical specifications, and design documents. The software maintenance is a critical part for the software development, and there are several types of software maintenance, which is having the corrective maintenance. This involves the fixing of errors and bugs in the software system. The patching, it is an emergency fix implemented mainly due to pressure from the management. That is, patching is done for corrective maintenance, but it gives rise to unforeseen future errors due to the lack of proper impact analysis. Adaptive maintenance, it involves the modifying the software system to adapt it to the changes in the environment, such as changes in hardware or software, government policies, and business rules. Perfective maintenance, this involves improving the functionality, performance, and reliability, and restructuring the software system to improve the changeability. Preventive maintenance, this involves taking measures to prevent future problems such as optimization, updating documentation, reviewing and testing the system, and implementing the preventive measures such as backups. So this is a diagram which shows the maintenance activities, which has identification and tracing, analysis, design, implementation, system testing, acceptance testing, delivery, and then maintenance management. Need for maintenance. The software maintenance must be performed in order to correct the faults, improve the design, implement enhancements, interface with other systems, accommodate programs so that different hardware, software, system features, and telecommunications facilities can be used. Migrate legacy software, retire software, requirement of user changes, run the code fast. Challenges in software maintenance. The various challenges in software maintenance are given below. That is, the popular age of any software program is taken into consideration up to 10 to 15 years. As software program renovation is open-ended and might maintain for decades, making it very expensive. Older software programs which had been intended to paint on sluggish machines with much less reminiscence and garage ability cannot maintain themselves tough in opposition to newly coming more advantageous software programs. Changes are frequently left undocumented, which can also additionally reason greater conflicts in the future. As the era advances, it turns into high prices to preserve the vintage software programs. Often adjustments made can without problems harm the authentic shape of the software program, making it difficult for any next adjustments. There is a lack of code comments. Lack of documentation, that is, poorly documented systems can make it difficult to understand how the system works, making it difficult to identify and fix the problems. Legacy code. Maintaining older systems with outdated technologies can be difficult as it may require the specialized knowledge and skills. Complexity. Large and complex systems can be difficult to understand and modify, making it difficult to identify and fix the problems. Changing requirements. As the user requirements change over time, the software system may need to be modified to meet these new requirements, which can be difficult and time consuming. Interoperability issues. Systems that need to work with other systems or software can be difficult to maintain, as changes to one system can affect the other systems. Lack of test coverage. Systems that have not been thoroughly tested can be difficult to maintain, and can be hard to identify and fix the problems without knowing how the system behaves in different scenarios. Lack of personnel. It With the necessary skills and knowledge, the personnel should be available to maintain the system, which can be difficult if it is in the lacking situation, to keep the system up to date and run smoothly. High cost. The cost of maintenance can be high, especially for large and complex systems, and it is difficult to budget for and manage. To overcome these challenges, it is important to have a well defined maintenance process in place, and which includes the testing and validation, version control, and communication with the stakeholders. Thank you.